What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to feed fish faster on Temu Fishland. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. So you are playing Temu Fishland. So basically I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to feed it faster and how to basically speed up that process. So there are a couple of ways. So first option is to buy food for fishing using pearls. So basically pearls are the premium currency in Temu that can be used to purchase various items including food. And here are some of the steps. So you need to tap on the food icon, tap on Pearl Shop, select food item and confirm purchase. So then you can also be using the food generator. The food generator is a free way to generate food over time. So you can tap on food icon, tap on food generator, collect food and wait for more food generation. So you can also, third way is by completing goals. Completing certain goals and achievements in the game will reward you with the food. You can check the goals, work on goals and claim the reward. Also there is a daily check-in reward. You can also watch ads for food. So basically there is an unlimited amount of ads you can watch on Temu. So you can watch short advertisement videos in exchange for food and also participating in events. Temu is introducing new events where players can complete missions to earn event points. These points can be redeemed for rewards like food, and also you can buy food subscription. You can purchase weekly or monthly food subscription to get regular food supply. Also leveling up and buying from Fishmart are some of the ways you can get more food, which means you can feed your fish faster. So guys, basically those are the ways to feed your fish faster on Temu Fishland. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.